Welcome back to the viewers of the Best Reviews channel. In today's video, we're counting down 5 impressive grills and charcoal cookers in descending order, starting with number 5. Let's dive in. Number 5. Everdure 4K. The Everdure 4K is a high-end, Kamado-style charcoal grill and smoker. Built with thick-walled insulation and a double-walled, cool-to-the-touch body, it's engineered to function as an outdoor oven, smoker, traditional grill, and even a pizza oven. Its precisely numbered top and bottom airflow vents allow detailed temperature control, ranging from low and slow cooking around 230 degrees Fahrenheit up to approximately 725 degrees for high heat searing. A glass touch panel and fast flame ignition system lets you light charcoal at the push of a button. With 2 ambient probes, 4 meat probes, Bluetooth app connectivity, an internal light, and included pizza stone and tongs, it's designed for tech-driven charcoal cooking with extended efficiency. Number 4. Weber Performer. The Weber Performer builds on the classic kettle design from Weber Stephen products by integrating it into a sturdy wheeled steel cart with a fold-down metal work table. It offers 363 square inches of cooking space inside a porcelain enameled bowl and lid designed for even heat circulation. The heavy-gauge charcoal grate and dome shape support consistent grilling, while the aluminized steel one-touch cleaning system and enclosed ash catcher simplify cleanup. Features include a hinged cooking grate compatible with gourmet BBQ system inserts, a tuckaway lid holder, tool hooks, a bottom storage shelf, and a built-in lid thermometer. Select models also feature a touch-and-go gas ignition system for quick charcoal lighting. Number 3. Everdure HUB II. The Everdure HUB II is designed for large-scale entertaining, offering a generous cooking area of roughly 80 by 40 centimeters. Its standout feature is rotoscope technology, which includes retractable rotisserie poles with touch control height adjustment, an internal motor, and patented clip-lock forks to secure large cuts of meat. The integrated rotisserie is rated to handle up to 40 kilograms. Like other Everdure models, it includes a fast flame ignition system that brings charcoal to temperature in about 9 to 10 minutes. Electronic controls with audio alerts and overheat protection help maintain stable cooking conditions. The porcelain enamel firebox, chrome grills with cool touch handles, enclosed storage cupboard, retractable power cord, and lockable casters complete its premium build. Number 2. Oklahoma Joe's Canyon Combo. The Oklahoma is a hybrid charcoal and gas offset smoker designed for versatility. It features a large horizontal cooking chamber with a side firebox, delivering around 750 square inches of primary cooking space, plus an upper rack and an additional firebox grate for direct grilling. A 3-burner gas side enables quick propane grilling, while adjustable dampers and a smokestack allow fine-tuned smoke and temperature control. Cast iron grates, dual lid thermometers, a charcoal basket, tool hooks, and an easy-access ashpan round out this multi-fuel cooking system. Number 1. Spark Grills. Spark Grills offers a charcoal-electric hybrid grill engineered for precision and convenience. Instead of traditional briquettes, it uses proprietary compressed charcoal bricks that slide into a fuel tray and ignite with an electric spark. Internal fans regulate airflow to maintain temperatures from about 250 degrees Fahrenheit up to over 900 degrees. The insulated kettle design sits on a lightweight cart with a prep area, and Bluetooth connectivity allows monitoring through a smartphone app. With fast startup, controlled heat, and simplified cleanup, it combines charcoal flavor with digitally managed performance. That wraps up today's countdown on the Best Reviews channel. If you enjoyed this overview, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more in-depth product features and buying guides. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.